Hi everyone, in this video we are going to model the DNA bench. First, create a part. Save the file to your preferred location. Name the file DNA bench. First, go to Tools, Equations to create a global variable. Name it A equals 80. Click OK. Create a new sketch on top plane. Right-click and hold to left to draw a line. And another line. Right-click and hold Choose Dimension. Or dimension set 240 millimeters. And the distance between 2 points equals the global variable. Finish the sketch. Loft a surface through 2 lines. Select 2 lines. Click OK. Next, to create a new plane. Select edge and front plane as references. Change to parallel. Click to finish. Create a new sketch and draw a line. Modify length in 480 millimeters. Height in 460 millimeters. And distance between 2 points equals the global variable 2. Finish the sketch. Then to loft another surface. Adjust the guide point. Finish the loft. Then create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw a line. Modify the length as 480 millimeters. The distance also equals the global variable. Finish the sketch. Loft a new surface. After that, we have 3 surfaces. Next, we need 3 surfaces. Hide the new plane. Fillet and choose 2 lines. Radius as 60 millimeters. Then thicken the whole surface. Modify the thickness. Then fillet the edges of the curved panel. Modify the radius as 3. Select the edges. Finish it. After that, we are going to copy and pattern this curved panel. Go to Features, Move Bodies, select the panel and first to rotate. Select the rotate axis. Rotate 180 degrees. Check the copy. Finish the rotation. Use the same way to move the panel. Move 480 millimeters in x-axis. Finish the movement. Here we get the second panel of the bench. After that, to pattern these two parts, select a linear pattern. Select the direction. Select two bodies. Modify gap as 720 millimeters. Change the direction. Finish the pattern. At last, fillet the left edges. Here to uncheck the tangent propagation. Radius in 60 millimeters. Then fillet on the other side. Choose corner. Uncheck the tangent propagation. Keep fillet. Select the edge. Modify the radius as 3 millimeters. Same on the other side. Here we have the full 3D model of the bench. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.